Justin Lee Collins took over.
Yeah.
So that was like a proper Channel 4.
Yeah, that was
prime time.
Yeah, it was nuts. Yeah, it was crazy. And then it all just waved the millionaire's boat off. I forgot to get on the boat. Hey, I've got a greenhouse, so
that's a weird, it is a weird thing with show business, and it's something that I've also experienced as well.
Yeah,
is that you work with people, and then something happens.
Absolutely,
and then, people go off in different directions. There's no real rhyme or reason to it. I mean, you were good in that. So you were good in the show.
It was good fun. It was really good fun. And but it's a weird thing. I think ultimately, like kind of bless you. Ultimately, you can't really plan. I never went into it with a plan, and I think I did find it hard because I think I sort of thought, oh shit, something's happening here, and what's kicking off, and then it sort of then it changed direction, and it went away, and then I remember I did a series on BBC 3 or what it was called Grown Ups, the first series of that, and then I didn't want to do the second series. I had just this feeling like it didn't feel right. It didn't feel like it was right for me. Excuse me, I'm not getting emotional, just had truck wind. And pardon? You wait? Oh, I liked it. Oh, mate. Fire eggs, pal. Fire eggs. Theatre. They bring the curtain down. They bring the fire curtain down. Fortunately, tonight's rehearsal has been cancelled because
and we're not filming it, so we don't want to waste the visuals.
Mate, I'll come and do one in London. I'll light my farts at the end.
Okay.
In fact, if you grow the Brussels sprout plant, and we'll both eat them before the show, and we will light farts, the seed of which was planted at the start of this show, and that means more than being a millionaire. If you could, because it is. I think the whole thing is like ultimately, if you're going to do something like this, you've got to be prepared to do it for free. And I think I've learned actually. I've been doing it for 21 years now. I've never had a proper job. That ultimately, whatever gig you're doing, like you have to learn that whether you're doing a gig in a back room of a pub for 12 people, or you're doing a gig like this, or whatever it is, you've got to just do that. Not think if I do that, it might lead to this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Otherwise, actually, you're not in the moment, and crucially, you don't enjoy the thing that you're doing. And this is ludicrously good fun to be able to do this, and all the travel, and all the driving, and all the the hard bits. You have to remember that this is playtime. It's ridiculous. Like and it's really good fun, and I love it. So I think I've learned that through having some